1, 2.
I have to sneeze.
Hi friends and family, I'm here today with my daughter Hayley, and we're going to demonstrate how we make homemade Play-Doh at school and at home. So this is one of our favorite things the kids like to do at school. We play with it at least 3 times a week, and Hayley played with it
Very often.
yeah, as a child. So to get started we need 4 cups of boiling water. So I've started the water, and Hayley's going to measure our ingredients. So this is something all the friends at home can do. We have a recipe. We need 4 cups of flour. So Hayley's gonna do that. Count them out loud, Hayley. 1. And if you have more than 1 child, then you take turns. 2. 3. Well, that one you can just pour in here. 4. I brought them from work, measured out, but we want to demonstrate. Your children at home can measure them out. 4 cups of flour and 1 cup of salt.
1 cup of salt.
Put it in a cup, Hayley. And then Hayley can read for you the next ingredient while I go check on the water.
I spilled the salt, but
That's
it's fine.
okay.
Spilled
Spills
a little
happen.
bit. You know, it's authentic. And
1 tablespoon
1 tablespoon of
cream of tartar.
cream of tartar.
And the next is going to be oil. 6 tablespoons of oil. Oh, Hayley, want to grab a spoon and you can start mixing that.
Okay.
I didn't grab that ahead of time. Now, everyone at work compliments the Play-Doh, and they've learned the secret is the water has to be boiling. That's 1 tablespoon of oil, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And Hayley's gonna mix that up really good, and I'm gonna go check on the water. I think I hear it bubbling up. And at school, we just keep passing the bowl around and take turns. Mixing.
And are you pouring the oil in the water, Mom?
I'm gonna pour in the oil right now while it's bubbling. All right, I gotta be quick. And then this part is for the moms and dads to do. I'm gonna take this, Hayley. Good job stirring.
Thank you.
I'm gonna add the water.
Do we have food coloring?
I don't know if we have food coloring. If you have food coloring at home, you could add food coloring, but we're making ours natural, which is how we use it a lot at school. Just a natural color. Can I hand this to you, Hayley?
Yep.
So this part the moms and dads have to do because it's so hot. How do you think this is going to be on our table? Normally I have trays at school.
Maybe get a cake tray. Do we need a cake tray?
Why don't you get that on top of the refrigerator, Hayley? There's our Our table here is kind of rough and it's not real smooth finish, so Hayley's gonna get a tray that I can just put this Play-Doh on top of. This is still kind of hot, Hayley. You probably don't want to touch it yet. Hot?
It's warm. It's not too hot.
Pretty hot for me, and I have all these little.
I only
gloves.
touched a little piece of it.
How does it feel, Hayley?
Okay. Need some more. So it's warm.
It's warm. But it's not sticky. It looks like it's good. Looks like we did a good job mixing. Gotta knead the dough here. Ooh, we can put it to the side and we can just get a little bit. This is what I do at school. Play with a little ball and it'll cool off a little bit quicker, then I can give it to my friends. And there you go, very simple, fun activity. Make balls, make worms, grab some cookie cutters. At school, we'll bring in rocks from outside, seashells, all kinds of things you can add to the Play-Doh to extend the play a little bit longer. Hope you see how simple it is and how much fun, and you can make Play-Doh at home with your family. Thanks for watching.
Bye.